Have you ever wondered if there's a simple, natural way to support your overall well-being? I know I have. That's why I've been loving my experience with NutraHarmony's Ceylon Cinnamon Capsules, a game changer in my daily routine. I wanted something easy to take, free from unnecessary additives, and packed with quality ingredients. These capsules check all the boxes. They're made in the USA and are non-GMO, dairy-free, gluten-free, nut-free, wheat-free, soy-free, nightshade-free, and sugar-free. So they fit perfectly into my lifestyle. The best part? I've noticed a natural boost in my energy, and I feel great knowing I'm making a positive choice for my body. Whether I'm at home or on the go, I can easily stay on track with my wellness goals without any hassle. If you're looking for a simple way to incorporate Ceylon cinnamon into your daily routine, this is it. Just one small change can make a big difference in how you feel every day.
What is up, beautiful babes? Sweet angel in the building, girl. Let me tell you, it's been a good morning. It's been a good morning. I can say good afternoon, actually, because I did not get out of bed until 2 a.m. I had a fun early morning hours with my granddaughter. She's back on her regular schmegular we're gonna be up in the middle of the night situation going on. So I was up with her until, I don't know, 5 or 6 o'clock. I swear my brain is pretty much fried. That's why I'm hard and heavy on taking my vitamins. Took my vitamins this morning. Got off to a good start. Why do I keep saying morning? This afternoon, because that's what it was. That's what it was. I kid you not, this afternoon. But y'all, it's been a fun afternoon already. I've been busy. I got up, and since I wasted the morning sleeping it away, I took time out to cook me some breakfast. I had a hearty breakfast. I did. I'm taking my shower. I washed my hair. It's so cute. She cute. But anyway, and today, I would be not y'all girl if I did not put y'all on to the fact that Glow Melanin launched their new product today, their brightening body oil, and I got a chance to get it in my hands like firsthand. So I've been trying this out, but I got to tell y'all about it because I don't think you would ever forgive me if I didn't put you on. Because you already know.
Y'all know I'm always on the lookout for the best goodies for my beautiful babes, and I had the chance to try out Glow Melanin's brightening body oil firsthand as one of their affiliates, and let me tell you, I'm in love. Have you ever looked at your skin and thought, why does it feel so dry and dull? Or maybe you're searching for that perfect body oil that hydrates without making you feel greasy. I totally get it. That's exactly why I'm excited to share this one, because it's just what my skin needed. This oil is made for us, melanin-rich skin that deserves to glow, not just shine. It's packed with kojic acid and vitamin C, two powerhouse ingredients that help brighten and even out your skin tone over time. And let's talk hydration. This oil melts right into my skin, leaving it silky smooth without that sticky, heavy feel. What I love most? The way my skin looks soft, smooth, and radiant, like I'm always ready for a selfie. Whether I'm heading out for the day or winding down at night, just a little bit of this oil keeps my skin looking and feeling amazing. If you're searching for deep hydration, a healthy glow, and skin that feels as good as it looks, this body oil might just be your new best friend. Go ahead and grab yours today. You're going to love the way it makes your skin feel.
Y'all already know I got some packages in, and I wanted to just kind of briefly talk about them, but I'm actually going to do like my own little video on the shapewear that I've been loving. And one of those companies that knows what they're doing is Nobility. If you saw one of my previous videos, I did share with y'all this bodysuit. And I just got in this one, which is a shapewear bodysuit with the tummy control. I actually already have this one in black. This one is a, what do they call it, beige? But I will link it down below just to let y'all know exactly what I got here. And these I am loving. So that's why I said I should bring every one of them to y'all that I love, that I am rocking with, and that y'all know exactly what your girl got going on. But this is so nice, y'all. This, of course, it's a bodysuit, so everything's built in. The bra fits perfect. It has these little bandages across the tummy area that help suction things in. It does open at the bottom with eyelet hooks, and yeah, it does the greatest job at cinching. So I love this one. Again, this one is by Nobility. And I did not tell y'all that I am, you know, when it comes to lingerie, I'm clearing out a lot of stuff that does not serve me properly. So one of the things is some of my bras, and this particular brand reached out to me. I had actually picked up one of their bras previously. That's the name right there. And I love them so much. So I end up partnering with them, and I got 5 more bras, which I'm going to do a try on. They remind me of some bras that I had some years ago. They are like this wonderful fabric that is so smoothing, so soft on the skin, no underwires. You know, it's like heaven to the boobs. And I'm going to try these on for y'all, but I got 5 that I wanted to show y'all, the 5 different colors that I got. So we're going to do a try on of these when I do my lingerie try on. This is such a pretty color right here. And the great part about these, they also have extenders. So, you know, you can fluctuate sizes and you can still have the same bra. That is what's amazing about these. I love that. I'm just going to go ahead and open all of these up and get them ready, because your girl is going to be letting y'all see how amazing these bras are. And part of looking good and feeling good is having on the right underwear. One thing my mom always taught us in my family, the girls, like, girl, have you some good underwear. Have you some good undergarments on. You never know when you're going to be in an accident. That's what she used to say. But baby, I am all about that too. So you can't go around walking around looking all crusty dusty. Excuse me as I open these up, y'all. But it is true. And here's the black one. This is the style. I got a couple of different kinds of styles this time around. That's nice. Couple of different black ones. This is a different style. It has the mesh top there, just in case you have, you know, a drop low kind of top, but you don't want it to look just like a bra. That is super nice. This one is black. I really only wear black and beige bras, y'all. This one has the scallop look on the top of it, which is super nice. Don't want to lose my little hooks and things like that. And the last one is a beige color, and this one, and yes, they do come with the padding in there, but sometimes y'all, I take it out. But look at the straps, y'all. You know, if you're sick and tired of bras digging into your skin, this is going to help you out right there, okay? This one is super nice as well. Nice back so that you won't have all of that back fat. If you got it hanging all kind of places, girl, this is the bras for you. And again, I want to thank them for partnering with me, and we're going to again do a try on of all of these. So stick a say to the channel, okay?
standing so divine. You're not just number one, you're the one. A crown on your soul, your reign's just begun. You are a queen, wear it proud, stand tall. Breaking through the chains, you can have it all. You're not just number one, you are the one. Shining like the stars, brighter than the sun. Each step you take, it's history in the making. Your heart is gold, and it ain't for breaking. Stronger than mountains, deeper than the sea. Nothing in this world can take your legacy. They tried to dim your light, but you will still shine. Walking with grace, standing so divine. You're not just number one, you're the one. A crown on your soul, your reign's just begun. You are a queen, wear it proud, stand tall. Breaking through the chains, you can have it all. You're not just number one, you are the one. Shining like the stars, brighter than the sun. Let the world remember your name. Through every storm, through every flame. Your beauty, your fire, your destiny. A queen forever, eternally. You are a queen, let your spirit run. You're not just number one, you are the You are a queen, let your spirit run. You're not just number one,